Good morning children. I am Satyasree, third class teacher. Children, you all are enjoying your holidays previously. Corona holidays we said, isn't it? But you might have enjoyed with some stories also from your grandparents and from your parents. Not only that, maybe you might have enjoyed watching so many cartoon shows. Yes? Do you love watching cartoon shows? Yes, I love to watch cartoons. And moreover, when we are watching these cartoons, we can learn many things from them. Yes, we can learn many things. Why? We can know what is good, what is bad from those cartoons, isn't it? And most interestingly, there are some cartoons and there are some stories in which we can learn morals, and these morals will be taught through by animals. Yes, in many of the stories we see that there will be a jungle, there are so many animals in there will be some conversation between those animals, and from that conversations and what do they. So from many of the stories we can learn many morals. Here maybe you all are vexed up with so many lessons which you are learning. But today I want to share with you a story of a mongoose. Okay, what is this mongoose? It's a very tiny animal which lives in the forest mostly, and nowadays we can find this mongoose in our surroundings also. Don't be scared when you see the mongoose. And here, this is the story of mongoose I say. And there is a familiarity of this one. Why we are discussing about this is because the mongoose will become the king of the forest. Isn't it strange? Yes. Actually, who will be the king of the forest? Yes, lion, leopard, cheetah, all these roaring animals generally will be the king of the forest. But here in this story, a mongoose will become the king of the forest. How? Yes, how? Shall we let us know? Yes. Okay children, what is the story name? The mongoose becomes king. Who is that? Mongoose becomes king. Right? Shall we start the story now? Children, you all love to see nature. Nature means what? Our surroundings, isn't it? I too love to see the nature. See, in our classroom, when I see around us, I see many trees, many birds are coming, many animals will be going here and there. So I love that. And even when we see from our balcony means the top floor of our home. When we see from there, we could see the scenery in a nice way. Maybe the sunrise, the sunset. It will look awesome, isn't it? When you see this pic, isn't it looking awesome? Yes, so nice, isn't it? The story of our lesson also starts with the sunset. Children, this is sunset or sunrise? Anything it can be. If it is in the morning time, if we see this, we call this as a sunrise. If it is in the evening, we say sunset. But in both the conditions, we see the sun is either going up or going down. And we'll enjoy that nature. Right? See, our story is beginning with a sunset. See this pic? What do you find in this pic? The sun is drowning down behind the hills, and there is a tree. On the tree we could see a monkey, some birds, a bear is there, a mongoose and a deer. Shall we start the story? Are you interested to listen? Yes. Now what's happening here? The sun is drowning down behind the hill. Now the deer got a doubt. Where does the sun go every day? It is asking. Whom it is asking? It is asking his friends, right? What did it ask? Where does the sun go every day? And again, the same deer is saying, maybe it is going behind the hills and it is sleeping over there. What did it say? The sun is going behind the hills and it is sleeping itself. Immediately, the monkey, what it said, No, the sun is not there. I have been to that hill, but I couldn't find it there. It's not there. The monkey said, the sun is not there. Where? Behind the hills. But what is the doubt raised by deer? Maybe it is sleeping there behind the hills. Then the bear asked, where does the sun go? Where it is going? It is asking very sleepily. As it is saying so sleepily, suddenly its voice faded away. Faded away means we couldn't hear the voice of the bear because somebody else entered there with a loud roaring voice. Who will be that loud roaring voice? Whose it will be? Yes, it's a leopard. Now the leopard entered with a loud roar. What happens when a leopard enters into any situation? Will the animals stay there? No. Exactly the same thing happened even here also. Now what happened to these animals? All these animals started moving from that place. What happened? The monkey, it climbed very up. It climbed onto the tree and the deer took some leaps and bounds. Leaps and bounds means what, children? See, how will be the deer moving from one place to the other? It will take long jumps, isn't it? The same thing we can say in another way as leaps and bounds. And what it did? It took some leaps and bounds and escaped from that place. And what happened to these birds? They are sitting very silently. They stopped even chirping. Chirping means what? The birds will make some sound, right? We call that as chirping. The birds also stopped chirping. Meanwhile, what did this bear do? It ran and hid behind a bush. But something astonishing has happened here. I said about all these animals. I left one more. Who is that? Yes, the mongoose. What happened to this mongoose now? The mongoose, it is standing firm there. It is not moving anywhere. It is just stood in the same place. It is not going anywhere. But actually, the mongoose didn't get any time to escape from that place. So what it has to do? It should face the leopard. Isn't it? If it doesn't face the leopard, what happens? The leopard will eat away that mongoose. Then the mongoose got remembered about a story in which a rabbit will tease a lion and with his wickedness it will drown that lion. Maybe you know this story, children. If not, in another session we will get to know about that story also. Now what does the mongoose did? It is thinking that it has to escape from that situation and it should get rid of the leopard. And it is thinking what to do. Children, what do you think it might have done? Okay, go for some guesses. Meanwhile, I will say the story. Okay, let us see. The mongoose now it is standing very firm in that place. Now, it was the turn of the leopard to be surprised. Yes or no? The leopard was surprised. Why? Because the mongoose is not moving from that place. Then the leopard is asking the mongoose, hey, why you didn't move from this place? Are you not afraid of me? Who is asking this? The leopard is asking the mongoose, are you not afraid of me? And you don't know that I am the king of the forest. And wherever I go, the animals will run away by seeing me. Who said all this? The leopard. Now it's the turn of the mongoose. The mongoose is saying, oh brother, what you are saying? Animals are moving away in fear by seeing you. Even the same thing happens with me also. Was there anything strange in that? Who said this? The mongoose. Do you think that really the animals will be scared of the mongoose, such a tiny animal? No. Why the animals will be scared of the leopard? Because it will be roaring with its large teeth, showing its big teeth, and if any animal was caught, it will definitely eat away that animal. So all the animals will run away by saying leopard, but not the mongoose. Right? Now the leopard got it out. Oh, really? Is that so? The animals will run away by seeing you. Can you prove that? Who said? The leopard said, can you prove it that animals will run away by seeing you? Yes. Now the mongoose is thinking, yes, I can prove this. If I prove, what will you do? And there will be a condition to prove that, he said. Who? The mongoose. The mongoose is saying, definitely I will prove to you that the animals are scared of me, but only on one condition. And now the leopard is asking, what is your condition? Tell me. He said. Then the mongoose said, okay, you can come with me into the forest and you can see by yourself that animals are running away in fear by seeing me. Who said this? The mongoose said. Now they have fixed the time. What did they fix? The leopard said, yes, okay, tomorrow morning we'll go into the forest and I'll see what will happen. And what the leopard was thinking, what happens? Nothing will happen. I know no animal will be scared of this mongoose. By saying that tiny animal, who will run away? Nothing will happen, he thought. And the mongoose, it is playing a trick with the leopard now. And he completed his sentence, if I prove this, you have to leave the forest. He said very boldly to the whom? Leopard. Who said? The mongoose said, if I prove that the animals are scared of me, you have to leave the forest, he said. And thinking that no one will be scared of the mongoose, the leopard agreed for that. Isn't that so funny? Yes. Now, all are waiting for the next day. What happens the next day? What happened? The sun rose from behind the hills and now the leopard came to the hole of the mongoose and he's asking, come on, let us go and see what will happen. Right? And the mongoose came out of the hole. The mongoose also came out from the hole. Now they both started to move. How they are moving? The mongoose is going in front and the leopard is moving at the back of that. And as usual, what happens when a leopard is moving? What it will do? It will roar, isn't it? And what is happening? The mongoose is going, the leopard is going. And while the leopard is going, it started to roar. So what happens? All the animals are running away by hearing the roar of leopard. Now slowly the mongoose started to boast. Boast means talking in a proud way. See, all the animals are running away by seeing me. Do you believe now? Now it was the turn of leopard to be surprised. The leopard did not understand what's going on there. Actually, what is going on there? By seeing leopard, all the animals are running away. But this leopard couldn't understand that because of him the animals are running away. And it believed that because of mongoose the animals are going away. So, according to their condition, what the leopard should do? What it should do? It should leave the forest, isn't it? So, keeping his head down, slowly the leopard moved away from the forest. Yes, what happened? The leopard had left the place. So, what happens with all other animals? They are feeling very happy as a leopard had gone away from that place. Who did all this now, children? Because of the mongoose, isn't it? The mongoose, because of its wiseness and it is not feared of the leopard, it faced the trouble. What is the trouble? He has to escape from the situation we discussed in the beginning of the story. What happened then? Suddenly the leopard entered. Everyone escaped, but the mongoose couldn't escape. So, it has to escape from that situation and it think in a wise way to get rid of the leopard. Right? So, what is the moral of this story, children? Whenever we face any troubles, we should face it with a boldness. That means very bravely we have to face it and wisely we have to escape from that situation. Okay, do you all enjoy this story? Yes, I enjoyed it by saying. And one more thing I should say to you. What? just by listening you enjoyed it a lot. No, by reading the story also we can enjoy a lot. Do you know? Yes. In our next session, definitely we'll do that and we'll enjoy the story by reading it. For the next session, you all should be ready with your textbook and your pencil to underline some good words wherein you can know the meanings of them which are introduced for you newly so that you can enjoy the story a lot. Okay? Are you ready for the next session? Yes. Okay. Thank you.